Here's our first example. If we are going to plot numbers 1 and 3/10 and 2 and 2/5 on a number line, given this number line here, this is an example in the Alex software. So we have to count the number of ticks first. So let's see here. We have 1. So from 0 to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This number line has 10 ticks between each whole number. So it's very important that our denominator matches with the number of ticks, because it will be easier for us to find that number or find that position. Okay, so we first plot 1 and 3/10. We need to identify the whole number part. So for this example, the whole number part is 1. So we know that 1 and 3/10, it's going to be a little over 1. So it's going to be between 1 and 2 on the number line. Next, we need to understand the fraction part. The fraction part is 3/10. Since there are 10 ticks between each whole number, each tick represents 1/10. So we can easily find the location of 1 and 3/10. Starting from 1, we count 3 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3. This will be the position of 1 and 3/10. Now that wasn't too bad. Next, we need to plot 2 and 2/5. First, identify the whole number part. The whole number part is 2. So we know that 2 and 2/5 is going to be a little over 2. So it's going to be between 2 and 3 on the number line. Next, we have to understand the fraction part. The fraction part is 2/5. Since there are 10 ticks between each whole number, we have to convert 2/5 to tenths so that we can easily find it. So we convert the fraction to a common denominator with the ticks. Think of a number that you can multiply 5 to make it a 10. 2. So if we multiply 5 by 2, it will be 10. So let's multiply our denominator 5 by 2. Now, since we multiply the denominator by 2, we gotta do the same on the numerator. Keep things balanced. So we can't just change the denominator. We have to do the same in the numerator. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now check this out. 2/5 is now equal to 4/10. We converted the fraction 2/5 to 4/10. Since our denominator now matches the number of ticks, we can easily locate the position. Starting from 2, we count 4 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the position of 2 and 4/10, which is the same as 2 and 2/5. Okay, another example. We plot the fraction 5/8 and the mixed number 2 and 3/4 on a number line. So first, we have to inspect our number line. Let's count the number of ticks given here. From 0 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ticks between each whole number. So first, we plot 5/8. The fraction 5/8 is less than 1. So it will be between 0 and 1 on the number line. There are 8 ticks between each whole number. So each tick represents 1/8. So now we can locate the position. Starting from 0, we count 5 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the position of 5/8. Next, we plot 2 and 3/4. We have to identify our whole number part. In this given, the whole number part is 2. So we know that 2 and 3/4 is past 2. So it's going to be between 2 and 3 on the number line. Next, if you noticed, our denominator here does not match the number of ticks. The fraction part is 3/4. Since there are 8 ticks between each whole number, we need to convert 3/4 to 8s. Now think of a number that will make 4 and 8. 2. That means we have to multiply 4 by 2 to make it an 8. And to keep it balanced, we also have to multiply 2 in the numerator. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Now, our denominator matches the number of ticks, so we can easily locate the position. Starting from 2, we count 6 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the position of 2 and 6/8, which is the same as 2 and 3/4. Okay, we're going to plot the fractions 9/10 and the mixed number 2 and 4/5. Let's check our number line and the number of ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ticks between each whole number. So we can plot 9/10 easily. 9/10 is already in terms of tenths, which matches the 10-tick system. And 9/10 is less than 1. So starting from 0, we count 9 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be the position of 9/10. Next, we plot 2 and 4/5. So identify the whole number. The whole number part is 2. So this point is past 2. So 2/5 is between 2 and 3 on the number line. Next step, we have to convert the fractions 4/5, this fraction, to tenths. It has to match to the number of ticks or the calibration. So 4/5, we're going to make 5, 8, 10. If we multiply 2 to 5, this becomes a 10. But we have to keep it balanced. We have to change the numerator also. So 4 times 2 is 8. So here we converted 4/5 to 8/10. So now we can plot 2 and 4/5. Starting from 2, we count 8 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be the position of 2 8/10, which is the same as 2 and 4/5. Okay, another example, if we are going to plot the mixed numbers 1 and 1/2 and 2 and 3/5. And let's count the number of ticks between each whole numbers. Okay. From 0 to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 ticks between each whole number. So for 1 and 1/2, we need to identify the whole number. The whole number part is 1. So 1 and 1/2 is between 1 and 2 on the number line. Now we need to understand the fraction part. The fraction part 1/2, since there are 10 ticks between each whole number, we need to convert 1/2 to tenths. So we need to think of a number that we can multiply 2 to make it a 10. So here, if we multiply 2 by 5, we will get a denominator 10. But we have to keep it balanced. Since we're multiplying 2 by 5, we have to do the same in the numerator part. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Now our fraction part is ready. We can locate the position of 1 and 1/2 or 1 and 5/10. So starting from 1, we move 5 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the position of 1 and 5/10 or 1 and 1/2. So next, we're going to locate the position of 2 and 3/5. Identify the whole number part. We can see that the whole number part is 2. So this is going to be a little over 2, between 2 and 3 on the number line. Now we have to check the fraction part. The fraction part is 3/5. It doesn't match with the number of ticks between each whole number, so we have to convert these also. We need to make or convert 3/5 to tenths. So here the denominator is 5. We have to make this a 10. So 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. And because we're multiplying 2 in the denominator, we have to keep it balanced. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 3/5 is now 6/10. Now we can easily locate this. So starting from 2, we move 6 ticks to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the position of 2 and 3/5 or 2 and 6/10.